Before we move on and see how this idea helps us shaping the upcoming experience, it is time to explain the meaning of the axes and the inscriptions on the right of each template, since they are going to be very useful from this point on. This brings us to the unique quality that Storyply offers to the domain of designing for experiences. Designing for experiences requires design teams to empathize with the people for whom they design on an emotional level. It is quite different from envisioning objects. The challenge is to envision first the dynamic qualities of the experiences and then the constantly changing emotional response to those changes. In a sense, designing for experiences means designing for the state of changing. In order to achieve that, we need to be able to externalize and discuss the emotional quality and intensity of key moments in an experience. Storyply sets out to provide that interface. Let me show you how it works. This chart is called an experience assessment chart, and it's used for emotional value assessment over time. The y-axis represents the emotional state, and the x-axis represents time. On the right end of the four templates, there are widgets to identify and keep record of primary and secondary values that can be assigned to the chart. We will come back to them. The dashed lines with arrows at each end are to remind us that the frames can move up and down. In order to simply demonstrate how the chart works, it's best to start assessing the moments of experience in terms of positive or negative. To achieve that, we need to ask, how does the main character feels at each instance? Is it a positive feeling or a negative one? And move the keyframes accordingly.